Hey y'all. Okay, I got a big giant mess on my desk making tags. And I wanted to share. I made this one with distress inks and embossing and a little, I guess, decoupage and stitched around it. And then there's the back. And I figured I'd show you making one. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna use this stamp by Tim Holtz. There's the number. Okay. All right, I'm using clear embossing. Whoops. Ink it up. And I think I'm gonna do it about right there. I hope I'm in frame. Quite haven't figured all that out yet, but just bear with me. Okay. Get a piece of paper. And this is just Recollections, Michael's. Cheaper. Off center a little bit, but it's okay. Put this back. I think I have the shakes, I'm hungry. Okay, I'm gonna heat this. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna put down some distress ink, and I think I wanna start with Victorian Velvet. It's a really pretty color. Squeeze a little. And this is a glass matte water. And then do some dips. Dry this. Wipe this up first. Okay. That's okay, it'll just add to the grunge. Wipe the extra ink off the embossing. All right, now I'm gonna do some faded jeans. Looking good. Okay, dry this one. And then I think I'll do, I don't know, maybe some tea stain. And I don't think I'm going to add any decoupaging to this one, just do the back. Well, let's do a little bit of tea stain. I might want some of this brewed espresso or ground espresso in there too. I'm gonna do that before I dry this round. Just gonna kind of do it up like around. Oh yeah. Okay. Try this round. Let me see if I kind of try to get them a little more pronounced. Okay, I think that's good. All right, now the back. I'm using these tea stain papers that I did for my little booklet things. Just gonna rip it. About down to that line. Get this little corner off. Then I'm going to use my punch. It's the EK Tools punch. I think it's called Binder Punch. Let's see if it has a name. Nope. Okay. I'm going to ink this up. Tea dye. I love doing this kind of stuff. And then I'm going to take the ground espresso. Kind of just rub the edges to make it look a little older. And then I have some watered down decoupage right here. Or, what do you call it? What do you call this? Mod Podge. Paint that on with an old grubby brush. All right, I'm going to add some tabs that I have rubbed the ground espresso over. Little sticker tabs. And I'm going to ink it up. First with the tea dye. Let me make sure that it's not going to rub all over the place. That's making those butterfly wings stick out more on the sides there. I like it. Let me do the back. It's amazing what inking does for you. Makes everything look so pretty. It doesn't cover the Mod Podge, but I don't care. Just more grunge. Now with the ground espresso. Let's see if I can get these to pop a little more. There you go. Pretty. All right. Let's see, I've got, let me do a little slice and rip. Use this as my tag hanger. Try to pull it without ripping it, ripping the paper. Cute, cute, cute. And there we go. Front and back. And here's the froggy one that I made. And I will stitch around this one as well. Probably just straight stitch, I don't know. But there you go, there's embossed and distress ink technique. And I'll come back with some others. I'll probably add them to this video, we'll see. Thanks for watching.